Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm about to show you how I do my Senegalese twists. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look right here, please continue watching. Okay guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I already sectioned my hair into tiny boxes. You know, I'm trying to make this a little easier and quick. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'm using X-pression hair. So I'm just feathering the hair that way. It has like the tail, you know, this is how we feather the hair all the time when you have to do our cleanse. And I want the ends to be that skinny, like, you know, like the tail kind of. And I'm just going to show you the size of the Senegalese twist that I'm doing. So I'm just going to section them right there. I'm using one strand. I'm using my hair as the other strand, guys. So I'm braiding four times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one, I'm going to tuck my hair inside the X-pression hair. So that way you hold with the other hand, just making sure it doesn't unravel, and then you twist. So when you twist, you're twisting it on the opposite direction, you know, and then you also get the other side and you start twisting. So both sides are going towards the opposite direction. So when you twist on the same direction, it's gonna unravel. I don't know if that makes sense, guys, but the point is making this into a seamless twist like the way I'm doing right there, you know, so your hair does not show. Even if you have natural hair, your hair is not going to show, and it looks like it is just way seamless. In the twist is just like, wow. This is how we achieve our twist. Then when you get to the end, you're just going to tie a knot at the end, and that way it doesn't show. That way you don't have to put it in hot water. And the reason why we braid first is because we are trying as much as possible to prevent your edges from, you know, breaking. Because, you know, guys, just imagine you're twisting your hair from the root. What happens is any kind of movement, your hair is going to break. When we're braiding clients, we try as much as possible to prevent your hair from breaking. And, you know, it's just like getting box braids. It's just that twists are so easy to do, so easy to take out, girl, and they're so cute. Why not, right? So yeah, so that's why we love to do braiding first. But it's just a little braid, 1, 2, 3, 4, just the way I'm doing right there. Twist, twist, twist. Yeah, so guys, this is so easy, and twists are very, very good protective style, guys. Oh my gosh, I love twists. You guys know I wear twists all the time. Like, it's just that this pandemic, I was trying to get, like, you know, some styles here and there, just cause I wear the scrap cap all the time at work. So I was just like, you know. But now I'm rocking these ones at work, and oh my gosh, they fit in my scrap cap, and oh, perfect. I also decided to add some color in, honey. Yes, you know, just a pop of color, because we don't want to be boring out here. And even the 30, you can't really tell where my hair ends, because when you twist your hair inside, you are going to tuck it in. So just the way I'm doing right there, and that is seamless, easy, and it looks good. You can't really tell where your hair is like ending. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna show you again on the other side, guys. So you grab your hair, you get your hair as the third strand, you know, you braid 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one, you're going to tuck your hair in the X-pression hair, and then you're going to start twisting. Yes, sis, but this was a very highly requested video, so I said, sis, let me just show how I achieve my Senegalese twists. And if you guys want to get them done by us, it's me and my sister. We do them together, and it takes us 4 hours to do them. Like, not even this size, like the small size. Okay, so this would like actually be a little faster too, but we do them this size right here, the one that I'm showing you on the side most of the time. And I usually get them this full, but this time I just wanted to show you guys how to do the Senegalese twist, guys. So because I was like, sis, I need to help my sisters out. Yes, especially this pandemic, some people don't want to go get their hair done, they want to do it by themselves. So yeah, you can still do it, sis, you can still do it. And don't leave us though. You can still come back and, you know, get hooked by your sister. Okay. yeah, guys, but we're still taking appointments. If you guys are interested in getting an appointment, you know, we're still taking appointment. My email is right here. Yeah, just shoot me an email, and we are now taking appointments for December as well. If you guys want to set up your appointments for the holidays, we are taking appointments, sis. So yeah. Yeah, but and it takes us 4 hours, as you guys already know, when we're doing it together. These ones took me about 3.5 4 hours because they're bigger, but when I do it myself, when I do the small ones, it takes me a while. But when we do it, me and my sister, you know, we braid together, and we have the same braiding pattern. It's so crazy. Like, you can't really tell us apart. It's just like we're twins when we braid, okay? Anyway, guys, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how to do these Senegalese twists. Oh Lord Jesus, I mean, people been asking me for the longest, like, you need to show us how to do the Senegalese twist. I'm like, sis, it is easy. I don't use no gel, I don't use no oil to braid. I use water to twist. Can you imagine? Me and my sister have different, she uses like coconut oil to twist, and I use water to twist, just so my fingers are nice and moisturized. You know what I'm saying? I decided to do these boxes because it's easier to show you guys when I am doing the twist, and they're neat, you know. I'm doing them a little bigger and they're still looking cute. When you are trying to braid by yourself, some people complain that when they try to do the braid down there, it's a little loose. So just make sure you tag on it, like you braid and then you tag on it a little bit, and that's it. That's how you can achieve that, you know. It can be a little tight, but don't make them too tight so you're like very uncomfortable or whatever. Leave your edges out if you want to. And the same concept, guys, braiding with your hair as the third strand. 1 2 3 4. The fifth one you tack in and you start twisting, and you twist the other one on the opposite side, like opposite. They should be going opposite directions. That's the main important thing. Okay, guys, so that's all, and your twist will not unravel at the end. You're just going to tie a tiny little knot, and that's about it. The last one, guys, I added a little bit more color in because I got carried away, but you know, that's fine. I love it. I love number 30. I wish I could just do number 30 by itself, but you know, it is what it is, right? Okay, look how cute those came out. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. I'm taking the coconut oil and I'm just going to moisturize my scalp. You know, it's very, very important, guys, to moisturize your scalp. Always remember to moisturize your scalp after you get your hair done, okay? You know, we gotta form these baby hairs, you know. Okay, sis. Yeah, so that's it, sis, and I am done. Oh my gosh, see those ends, the tail, and when you have to put them up in a bun, it's easier when you get your hair stretched out, like you get your ends feathered. That way it's easy. Honey, I got my makeup done, and sis, okay, I am loving this. What? Yes, sis. Woo! I did the damn thing, honey. Yes. Okay, sis. Yes, guys, so they're not too full, not, you know, they're still look cute. I rock them at work. I can rock them going out and still look cute. Look at that. Can you guys believe I did those by my damn self? I am so proud of myself, sis. Yes. Yes, sis. But anybody can achieve this look, guys. So just practice, pause, rewind, go watch again. You know, watch this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, guys. You know, you guys are doing good. And the length, honey, yes, I did them waist length, so they're nice and long. Okay, so I love them, guys. I hope you guys love them and enjoy my video as well, guys. Oh my gosh, let me know if you guys are going to be trying them in the comments below, and let me know if you guys are feeling this, you know, color combo that I did over there. And get your girl to 50K. We are now at 38, guys. Woo! Yes. Oh my gosh. You know, guys, Thank you so much. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and I hope you guys like my video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Bye.